On this gourd right here, we're going to do the crackle effect technique. So let me show you how we're going to do it. I'm going to paint this black first. And you could do it with any color you want. I just chose to do it with black so that it would stand out and you could see it better. But we're going to paint this whole thing black, and then we're going to let it dry. Make sure you have a nice even coat of black on it. And this is just to show you how this technique is done. So now I'm going to leave this here. And I'm going to let it dry. And then I will do the crackling on it using this crackling medium. But I'll show you how to do it. We'll come back as soon as this gourd is dry and we'll finish it. Okay, now we have taken our gourd and we have painted it all black and it has dried. So we're going to take our crackle medium, and there is lots of different brands out there. This one is by Folk Art. But I am going to, the thicker you apply it is how much crackle you will get out of it. So I'm going to put a good coat of crackle on here. And I'm not going to go in a uniform manner. I'm just going to brush it on there. Like I said, I'm going to put it on here thick. Because it dries, and when it dries, it shrinks. And when it shrinks is what creates the crackle in it. So just put it on there nice and thick. And then we let this dry. Let it dry real good. And then we will come back, and that's when the magic will happen. After it dries completely, we'll come back and we'll put white on it. You can use any color, but I'm using white and black. So let's let it dry for a bit, and we'll check it out after it dries. We have let this sit and dry all night with the crackle medium on it. So now we're going to take our white paint and we are going to cover it and see how well the crackling did on it. I have two of them here to do. See which one turns out better. As this paint dries, it will crackle. Don't go over where you already put the paint in it. It'll stop the crackling. So we'll let this one dry and I'll go on to the next one. I said you can use any color paint you want. You can use a blue bottom, yellow bottom, whatever bottom you want as far as paint, and as far as the top, the same thing. You can use whatever color you want. Trying not to leave any big bubbles in it. So you can see it's starting to crack as I'm putting it on it. Set this one down and let it dry and show you. So after the crackling does take effect, it takes a few minutes, As you can see, this one's already doing the crackling effect. Look at that. Look at all the crackles in that. Turn this way, you might be able to see it better. But as it dries, you get the crackles in it. See how well the other one's doing. See all the crackling going on? So after it completely dries and the crackling stops, and you'll know, then you can just finish it off with a spray varnish, the spray polyurethane. So this is the crackle effect on a gourd. This is just a quick one, just to give you an idea of what they look like, but there you go. If you like this video, please follow, subscribe. Would love to hear any comments you may have. Pass this video along, share it. We are on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, all at In My Painted Garden. And we also have an Etsy shop where you can purchase our art. It's also In My Painted Garden. There you go. Now, after you have your gourd all completely finished, all crackled, and it's dried, then you can put your final coat of polyurethane over it all. But this is just showing you how the crackle medium works. And I have an example of some that I did on some wood. I did a wood table and a wood bookshelf. And I crackled it and I put painted flowers on it, roses on it. But there you go. There's the crackle technique. Like I said, you can get it in different brands. This one I'm using is Folk Art. I believe Deco Art carries it also, and I'm sure there's a lot of other brands out there, but it'd be awesome. I'll do a whole gourd and I'll post it so that you can see it. If you like this video, please follow, subscribe. We are on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, all at In My Painted Garden. And yes, we have an Etsy shop also, In My Painted Garden. Check us out. Follow for more tutorials. Comment and share. Love to hear your questions. Love to hear your feedback. Thanks. Have a great day.